How to fix Rheem Furnace Error Code 68, follow these instructions. Turn off furnace and circuit breaker to cut power fully before starting any inspection or cleaning for safety reasons. Remove furnace filter and inspect for dirt or dust, replace or clean if dirty to improve airflow and prevent overheating. Check all vents and returns in every room, make sure they are open, unblocked, and clean to allow proper air circulation. Open furnace panel and press the high limit switch reset button gently if it has tripped due to excess heat or airflow issues. Inspect blower motor and fan blades for dust, clean gently using a vacuum or brush to ensure smooth airflow and efficiency. Look for crushed, closed, or disconnected ducts in attic or basement and repair or adjust them to restore proper air movement. Restore power by flipping the breaker and furnace switch back on. Run the system to check if code 68 error is now gone.
Thank you for watching.